The operation which we are going to perform here is stepped drill bit manufacturing. So we already have drill bit. Now we are going to make it as a stepped drill bit. First we'll remove the finished part by loosening the nut, and then we'll introduce a fresh part and then tighten the nut. Then the compound table is made to slide towards the grinding wheel, and fine adjustment can be made through the micrometer screw gauge which is attached here. The grinding wheels which are present here are diamond wheels. The micrometer screw gauge can be adjusted by opening the nut, and we can adjust it, and then by tightening the nut we can lock the movement of it. The adjustment you saw so far here is to limit the movement of the compound table in this particular direction. Once the fine adjustment is done, then we will move the compound table towards the wheel head, and by the movement of the y-axis wheel we will move finely little by little. By controlling the movement in the y-axis, we can make the compound table near and far from the wheel head, depend on our need. In this machining, the wheel will rotate. At the same time, the drill bit which is fixed on the index table, which is fixed on the compound table, will also rotate. So once the wheel and the drill bit made contact with each other, you can hear a clingering sound. On Y direction also we got scale, so we can adjust the scale in order to get a preferred diameter of the drill bit. What you see here are the finished parts. And this one is the Y direction control for length or movement. This control box is provided to on and off the movement of the drill bit that is fixed in the compound table. And here you can see this one is provided to control the machine, which is the diamond wheel, the movement of the diamond wheel. So the RPM which you see here is the RPM of the diamond wheel, and which does have the emergency stop also. We can adjust the wheel head in the Z direction. So this knob or scale is provided to move the wheel head up or down. Then we use this switch to off the movement or rotation of the drill bit which is fixed on the compound table. Because if it is rotating, then we can't take the measurement. So in order to take the measurement, we'll stop it first. Once you are done with the process, you can check the diameter. So whichever the diameter you are looking for, you can check with the micrometer screw gauge, and if you obtain it, you can remove the piece, or else you can still go for fine grinding. So you see here we are reducing the tip diameter for maybe like first few millimeters. We are reducing the diameter, so that's why it is called as step drill. So this is the fresh piece. You can see throughout the length the diameter is same. What we are going to do is reducing the diameter only for first few millimeters on the tip. So we'll grind it maybe for first 5 to 10 millimeters depending on our need to reduce the diameter. So that's why it is called as step drill. Step by step we are increasing the diameter.